welcome to our channel. I am so happy you are here to learn English with me. Today, we have a new story. It is about a young woman named Lina. Lina is 19 years old. She is a student. We will listen to her story about her day. It is a simple story about her daily life. This is a great way to practice your listening and speaking. Are you ready? Let's begin our story. My day. Lina wakes up early every morning. The sun shines into her room. She gets out of bed. She feels calm and happy. First, she goes to the bathroom. She washes her face with cool water. It feels refreshing. Then, she brushes her teeth. She always brushes her teeth in the morning. After that, she goes back to her room. She chooses her clothes for the day. She likes to wear comfortable clothes. She gets dressed. Now, she is ready for the day. She feels good and organized. Her morning routine is very simple. It helps her start the day with a positive feeling. She takes a deep breath and smiles. Today is a new day. Now it is time for breakfast. Lina goes to the kitchen. Her family is already there. She says good morning to her mother and father. They eat breakfast together. Today, they have toast and eggs. She drinks a glass of orange juice. Sometimes she drinks milk. The food is simple but delicious. Eating with her family is her favorite part of the morning. It makes her feel happy and loved. Family time is important to her. After breakfast, she helps clean the table. After breakfast, it is time for school. Lina goes to her room. She checks her school timetable. Today, she has 3 classes in the morning. She puts her books in her bag. She is ready to go. Sometimes she takes the bus to school. Sometimes she takes the metro. The bus and the metro are very crowded in the morning. Her classes are English, math, and science. She likes all her subjects, but her favorite subject is English. She likes English because it helps her talk to people from different countries. She enjoys learning new words. In the afternoon, school is finished. Lina goes home. The first thing she does at home is her homework. She likes to finish her work first. This makes her feel responsible. She sits at her desk and opens her books. She studies for about 1 hour. Sometimes it is easy. Sometimes it is difficult, but she always tries her best. Being a good student is important to her. When her homework is done, she feels free to relax. She believes in working hard and then resting. Now it is evening. It is time for dinner. Lina's family eats dinner together every day. They talk about their day. Lina shares a story from her school. Her father talks about his work. Her mother shares a funny story. They laugh together. Tonight, they are having pasta for dinner. After dinner, they have dessert. Tonight, the dessert is ice cream. Lina loves chocolate ice cream. After dinner, she relaxes. Sometimes she reads a book. Sometimes she plays a simple game on her phone. Evening is a time for calm and quiet activities. It is getting late. It is time to get ready for bed. Lina goes to her room and changes into her pajamas. Her pajamas are soft and comfortable. Then she goes to the bathroom. She brushes her teeth again. It is important to brush your teeth before bed. After that, she goes to her bed. She feels tired but happy. She had a good day. She goes to bed early every night. A good routine helps her stay healthy and balanced. A simple life can be a happy life. Good night, Lina. Now let's practice speaking. I will say a sentence. You repeat the sentence after me. Let's try Lina wakes up early. Lina wakes up early. She washes her face. She washes her face. She brushes her teeth. She brushes her teeth. She eats breakfast with her family. She eats breakfast with her family. She goes to school by bus. She goes to school by bus. Her favorite subject is English. Her favorite subject is English. She does her homework first. She does her homework first. She eats dinner with her family. She eats dinner with her family. She goes to bed early. She goes to bed early. Great job today. You did very well. Keep practicing every day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.